So we've been here about a year in this facility. It's been open about 3 years. I'm Eric Ulschmid. I'm supervisor of the model shop and tool build at Graco. So we started with a blank slate with our machine tool area. We work directly with technical tool.
The bridge span is 48 feet, so it did require something over a workstation crane. Graco did decide to extend their Cleveland Tramrail track. I did have to work with engineering because we were adding another bridge and we had to make sure there was a certain distance between the third and fourth bridges because these were super Tarka bridges, so there were additional considerations. They took care of all the details and matched everything up for me.
And then we also worked with the folks who designed this facility to ensure that all the loads were okay, we did the hangers correctly, any anti-sway was done properly. Typically we try to get a bridge per work area. For our area it's a little different because we don't use the hoist as much as like a production area would. So we have one bridge for our entire space and that's enough capacity for us. We use the hoist and the crane for lifting bar stock, lifting fixtures. We do a lot of custom fixtures, metal fabrication. So we use it anything from a 50-pound vise all the way to a 2,000-pound machine fixture.
Yeah, it is something that you don't have to think about because it's there. It's always there when you need it. It's convenient, right? It's very convenient that you don't have to hurt your back and when you have a crane there to help lift a lot of the heavy loads. So, my name's Sean, and I'm a model maker for Graco. With a crane, it does feel safe to move them, and knowing that it's safe, you're more confident in some of the stuff that you lift. So it's kind of nice to have that.
You know, the biggest thing that Graco did like about the Cleveland Tramrail is the longevity and durability of it. If they were going to go to an I-beam, they knew they just wouldn't have the life that the Cleveland Tramrail would offer.